Getting reloading for 50 bucks. This is the Lee hand loader, and it has all the tools you need to get reloading minus a scale and some sort of hammer deal. If you use Lee specific powder charts, you can actually just use this thing and you don't need a scale. Okay, so these are the pieces it comes with. And so to get started, you will take your casing and your decapping rod, stick it in the base right here, and tap out your old primer. Bust out your primer, and then your old primer will be stuck in there. Okay, next is to size it. So you'll stick the case in here and tap it flush. Okay, now it's sized. Next step, take this, place your primer right there, put this on top, grab your priming rod, stick that in, and that'll seat your primer. Okay, to get this out, you'll come on this other part and tap your case out. Okay, now it's primed. Now you can trim, chamfer, and deburr your casing. Okay, leaving it in the same spot there. We'll now take the powder that I previously measured out, and I've already worked up this load, so I know what it is, and put that in there. Now take the projectile, drop that in, take this, put it on top, and then tap her down till it's flush, and then pull it out, and you have a 223 round reloaded, ready to roll. To adjust your bullet seating depth, you can spin this, and then you will need a set of calipers or some way to measure the case overall length, and that is going to control how deep your bullet goes. Okay, so that's literally everything you need to start reloading, and you can get into it for super cheap. I would recommend getting a scale and probably a set of calipers on top of what comes in here, unless you're using the Lee charts. Now, I have strong opinions of single stage presses, and this is actually even slower than a single stage press. So I have my opinions, and if you have the money, go get a progressive. However, this may be for you if you're not really thinking you're going to get into reloading and you want to be able to reload if crap ever hits the fan, and you think you have ample time on your hands because you're just going to be eating your food storage and sitting in your basement waiting for the apocalypse to blow over, or those who weren't prepared to, you know, not be prepared. And then you can just spend your time reloading ammunition. Okay, guys, if you have any questions on this, put it in the comment section below. If you have other questions on reloading, check out my reloading playlist, which I'll put somewhere down here.